I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. Welcome back to day 16 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. We're closing in. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to see what this is. All right, let's see. Ooh, okay. Oh, okay. This is different. All right. Okay. All right, so this is a reusable bowl hugger. Okay, so we got the pattern. This is like a vinyl. Okay, and this is an elastic. So it says materials will yield 2 bowl covers up to 10 inches in diameter. This is kind of cool for picnics and stuff. All right, okay, the directions are here. Interesting. So this is a vinyl. It does have like a coating on the back. Now, when you work with vinyl, here's a tip. If you put clear tape, like the magic tape for writing, I can't even talk. The clear tape for wrapping presents and stuff, same stuff. If you put that on your presser foot, it'll help glide over this. You can also use a Teflon foot if you have it, or a roller foot, but that's just a tip for working with anything like this. This is all right. I don't know, not my favorite gift. They're cute. It's not my favorite, but that's okay. I'm not gonna like them all. And you may absolutely love this. I guess I'm a little disappointed that it's not more quilting cotton. That's what I like to work with. To me, that would be wonderful. Of course, it couldn't be probably a bowl hugger cover, but maybe something else. Let's talk about the value of yesterday's. I know some people didn't love the ornaments. I thought they were really pretty, and you could keep one and give one away. I think somebody said that too, which is always a nice idea. And some people don't like the turquoise. You know, we're not gonna love them all. And that's just kind of the way it goes, unfortunately. Or fortunately, I guess, because, you know, that's what makes the world go round, everybody. All right, let's talk about the value, though, for them. I looked all over for similar items. Now, these are branded. Again, I've said it before. Some people feel that adds to the value. I can't talk. Some people say it takes away from the value. I'm saying $10 a piece on them. They are beautiful clay or ceramic. Stoneware, I think is what it is. They're nice and heavy. And again, I've said it's not what I would pay for it. It's what would be the retail value for them. So I'm saying 10 a piece, so $20 for both of them. Let me know what you think about that. That brings our running total to $266.50 with an overage of $75.75. We are doing great. So even if I'm off on some of these, I think the evaluation will just even out. It's definitely worth it, in my opinion. I love that. Oh, so exciting. Let's guess for day 17. This is one of my favorite parts. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna hold it up. Warning, warning, warning. It's a box. It jiggles around in there. It's a little, oh, it's very squishy. But there's something hard in there. It doesn't weigh a lot. What is that? Huh. I don't know. We'll see tomorrow. Either way, I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew. I will see you tomorrow for day 17. And yeah, I hope you're having a wonderful holiday season. Bye.